Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my new Reolink POE video doorbell. So I bought this doorbell because it's POE and therefore it means that the power and the data are both going to be transmitted via one cable. I bought this to replace my Arlo video doorbell. The Arlo one is battery powered and Wi-Fi. So those are two things that slow down the connection speed and takes away some of the reliability. So last time I checked, it took me about 12 seconds from when I tried connecting the video on the Arlo to when I actually had a live feed. So instead, I decided to get the Reolink one because the Reolink one is going to be a hardwired secure connection. So over here is the doorbell, and you can see on the back, it's got that slot for your Ethernet cable. It comes with a free chime, which is nice because with the Arlo one, I had to buy that separately. Inside the box are some accessories like a Cat 6 cable, power, adapters, some screws, and it looks like some mounting brackets. So I'm going to go install the doorbell, and I will do a follow-up video showing the quality of the video resolution. Thanks for watching my video on the Reolink POE doorbell.